Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick review of this Coghlan replacement shock cord and sharing you my thoughts about this awesome product. And let's dive right into it. Welcome back. My name is Edward and my channel is all about backpacking, DIY, and gear reviews. First thing first, let's talk about what exactly a shock cord is. It's basically an elastic cord that is perfect for securing gears, creating an adjustable tie downs, and providing a perfect tension for your knee in various situations. A shock cord comes in different lengths and thicknesses, so it is important to find the right size for your specific needs. In this case, we have the Coghlan shock cord, which has a thickness of 3/32 of an inch, or approximately about 2.5 millimeters. The length is about 18 feet long, or 5.5 meters. And the best part is, it costs less than $5 at Amazon, and I will make sure to leave the link in the description down below. With this size and thickness, it is versatile enough to cater to a wide range of applications. Whether you are securing camping gears, or bundling up items, or creating an adjustable tie downs, this cord has got you covered. It is the go-to choice for backpackings, tents, outdoor bags, sleeping bag, and so much more. And for those DIY enthusiasts out there, this shock cord can be used with the plastic cord lock to tackle any projects or applications you have in mind. Personally, I recently used this Coghlan shock cord to replace the worn out cord on my Big Love, Big Angie's backpacking tent. And I also have another video where I replaced the cord in the Fly Creek UL2 tent. So make sure you check out that video right here. So in terms of the length, the shock cord was more than enough for me to replace the cord in the Fly Creek 2. Now let's talk about the thickness. At a 3/32 of an inch, or 2.5 millimeter, it is slightly thinner than the factory used shock cord. The overall tension was spot on, but don't let that fool you, because most freestanding backpacking tent, check with your manufacturer, actually uses about 3/32 of an inch, or 2.5 millimeter thickness cord. Why? Well, the thicker cords can cause issues with the tent post, like difficulty threading through or tying the knots, or it doesn't fit in the pole. So the thickness is actually perfect for this project. And I must say that this $5 shock cord does an incredible job of providing a perfect tensions for securing the tent pole, and I couldn't be happier with its performance. To wrap it up, if you are in need of a versatile and durable shock cord, and this $5 Coghlan shock cord is an absolute winner. Its top-notch quality and adjustable tension and wide range of application makes this an invaluable tool for camping, outdoor gears, and keeping your gears organized. You will not be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, and make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing gear reviews and a fantastic outdoor adventure tips. Until next time, happy adventuring.